You're so shiny. Like, just your head is so shiny.
I'd rather be shiny. No? Moana? No? Not even?
I've never seen it.
My fucking god, Vic. Get your shit together.
That's that Hawaii movie, right? I really hope that picked up.
I hope that picked up too. Insert Cynthia from the background. It's the best one.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Adventure in Time, where we will crank that soldier boy for you. That's how I feel after fucking Chico's.
Oh yeah.
Like any blockage that was there, it just everything's coming out, whether you wanted it or not. That's how you clean your colon.
I've actually never fucking like had the shits after fucking
Chico's?
yeah.
What food has given you the shits? And not because of like ill-prepared food.
Poisoning.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know. I can't think of anything. I mean, besides like the standard fare of like a lot of coffee.
Right. So like, I've had it after like, shit.
You've had it after shit.
Cool.
Well, I mean,
I collected health for that. It's awesome.
yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Your fucking cough made it fucking get dislodged from wherever the fuck it was.
Ah, no, I needed that platform. Ah, damn it. Like, no, I usually have to, like, avoid my bowels after, like, most spicy food, because I put, like, a fuckload of, hot sauce on it.
Yeah.
But I think that's par for the course. Like, that's normal? Question mark? There's a thingy up there. How do... But yeah, it's like usually like it's a one and done. I'm not on the toilet the rest of the fucking night, you know?
Yeah.
But it will happen like hour to a few hours after to be like, yep, it's happening, folks.
Yeah. No, I do get the grumblies.
Yeah. I think that's different. I don't think I've had anything just like wreak havoc on my fucking stomach.
Yeah. And I mean,
I see.
I don't have the most toughest stomach or anything like that, but it's just like I usually just get like stomach aches. I don't really get like
Clarence,
shit
get off
attacks.
the counter. Shit effects?
Shit attacks.
Oh, shit attacks.
Yeah.
Oh, like shit effects. Yeah, who do you hire for that?
Yeah.
Clarence, not you. I know you're a contractor, but come on. You can't do everything. You can't be a cat of all trades. I don't think he was amused by that one.
Neither was I, to be honest.
Well, I'm glad we're all on the same fucking page.
That was a catastrophe.
Bunch of salty sallies. Oh, look, health. The fuck am I doing? Oh.
Dude, that's a good fucking question, man. How do you play this game?
I don't know. I just keep shooting shit, smashing shit, fucking rolling around at the speed of sound. Oh, there's an elevator. Woo! Oh.
You fucked up!
I wasn't going for like a speedrunner strat there. Just fucking around.
Yeah, you skipped all that you saved those dialogue frames.
I did. That one. He's not dead. No, he's dead.
Great
Oh,
to the
sick. Whoa.
That's like my moves on the dance floor.
Oh shit. What, you use a big hammer?
No, grind to the
Oh. I missed the cue! Oh man, all the way back here? Alright, Vic, we can't have any more fuck-ups like that.
Yeah, gotta grind to the drill.
You keep saying that. I don't know what it is you want me to do.
That's the objective.
I feel like I'm gonna need someone's consent to do that. And I don't know if we're the people to be giving that.
I don't know.
Oh, bonus? Bonus? Bonus?
I'll let whoever grind to my drill know what I'm saying.
Not me.
Fun
Whee!
stuff.
Alright, who did it first? Tony Hawk or Sonic for grinding rails?
Holy shit.
Yep. Who ripped who off? I've been here? Oh, this way.
Actually, I don't know.
You think there'd ever be a lawsuit?
I don't think Sonic grinded rails in the original games.
No, he didn't do it till like Sonic Adventure 2?
So I think it was Tony Hawk.
Right?
Yeah. I gotta give it to Tony Hawk. And
But
his pro skater.
he's not edgy.
What? What do you mean Tony Hawk isn't edgy?
He's not Sonic edgy.
Well, yeah, because the guy's got spikes.
So he's not edgy. Whoa!
Tony Hawk is edgy. He's not as edgy because his hair isn't spiky.
Well, so then he's not edgy.
He is edgy, just not as edgy.
I feel like we're saying the same thing here.
I feel like we're not.
He's not edgy, right?
He is.
He doesn't have spikes.
Yeah, but like Sonic's barely edgy because he has spikes.
No, he's edgy because he has spikes, and he's also edgy.
No, he's not.
Tony Hawk is
Shadow
only edgy.
is edgy.
He's an edge lord. You need to get that straight.
Well, Sonic isn't edgy.
He's edgy.
I've never thought Sonic was edgy.
He's way past cool.
Write it down in the comments if you think Sonic was edgy.
What do you mean was?
Isn't he? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh shit!
Just drop a bomb like
Damn. I thought I was gonna piss off a lot of people.
Well, fucking.
God damn it, mother, fuck off.
Tell him they can fucking write to Ben Schwartz.
Ben Schwartz. Like he has the standing authority to like decide that.
Yeah, he does now. He's a voice actor.
Does that give you standing authority?
Yeah, just look at Ryan Reynolds with Deadpool.
Oh, that's true. You think he'll forever be Deadpool?
No, I think he'll die sometime.
Deadpool or Ryan Reynolds? I'm like, wait a minute, what are we talking about now?
No, I don't know. He seems like, as long as he doesn't play fucking Gambit again, I'm happy with it.
He didn't play Gambit.
I thought he did.
No.
Then what other fucking character did he play? Oh, Green Lantern. That's what he
There,
did. As long as he
there.
doesn't play fucking Green Lantern again, then I don't give a shit.
Yep, no, I think he learned hard about that one.
Oh, you guys. We must return to the other dimension quickly.
Oh. Something in my fucking eye. Oh, shit. It's probably cat fur. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You. What other weapon do I
And who the
have?
fuck played Gambit?
Oh. In which movie? They were gonna make a Gambit movie. And then it never happened. I'm gonna fucking die. Yep, I died.
I'm gonna fucking die. Oh, it's Channing Tatum.
What did he played Gambit? I thought he was going to play Gambit. Like,
Oh.
that movie never happened.
That's the one that didn't happen?
Yeah. Because it was supposed to, and then some shit happened, and then it just didn't happen.
Oh, it was Taylor Kitsch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because they're gonna make a standalone Gambit movie
Yeah.
in it.
It was fucking Origins Wolverine. That's what I couldn't remember. Where
Oh.
the fuck Gambit came out in.
Yeah. That's why they wanted to do more movies like that.
Yeah.
Which I don't... Oh, man, I don't think they're gonna do it anymore. Because they had a whole, like, lineup. Like, they were gonna do Gambit, they were gonna do Magneto. Yeah. Which that would have been a cool origin movie. Because Magneto's origin's pretty fucking dope.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like they could have done a lot, but they fucked up.
Yeah, you're right.
But like, hey, fucking Logan came out and that was amazing.
With Old Man Logan?
Yeah.
But that was like an end. It was
Yeah.
a good movie. Like, it wasn't an origin. Or is that what you were saying?
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
that,
my
it
bad.
was better because it wasn't an origin.
Ah, okay. That's what I had to think about. I was like, wait, was that the point you were trying to make?
Yeah.
Mabi?
I knew there was like fucking Gambit in a movie somewhere.
Yeah.
Like nobody fucking liked them
No one liked
or remembered
anybody from fucking Wolverine Origins. The fuck am I doing? Return to the other dimension. Oh. It's fucking crystal right here. Ah.
You gotta stop the drill.
You can't stop, no stop the drill. Can't stop, won't stop the drill. Won't stop, can't stop the drill. Go. Bam, 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 bam.
Everybody, lose your hand cause it's a drill. Whoa.
Should have followed OSHA policy.
Bad news, everybody. I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing
Yeah.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
Oh, that ammo.
That dropship, big and
Ah.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
or if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it.
Oh, I'm supposed to take down the ship. Ah. Whoop.
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend.
Oh, yeah.
As I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
Just realized the sound it makes on the controller for that one. It's so cool. It really is a bass cannon.
Oh shit. It did exactly what they thought it was.
Not the ex machina of ex machinas.
Rivet.
Not the story plot for story plot's sake. Like, what are the odds?
Oh, no.
1 in 360.
Maybe it's
That's specific.
Yeah, because there's 360 degrees in a circle. So, like, the degree at which it would.
I know this is gonna sound
For the odds to
weird,
peak
but
would be a full
I want
circle.
you to
Yeah.
tell me
With
legends
no peak.
about someone on Torrent 4 called the Fixer. If it's
Yeah, the Fixer. Oh, I love that song by Stone Temple Pilots. I think.
Oh,
Is it? I don't think it's. I don't think it's Stone Temple.
Yeah.
Is it?
Let's find out.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
these are.
He's Mr. Fix It.
Fix up this space courts and save the
Who's that by?
Well, no, I'm confused, so I don't know. I'm all fucked up, so I don't know.
Let's go find the Fixer.
Ew, Fallout 76.
To repair the phase course, we will have a
Oh, it's Pearl Jam. Haha.
See, I knew it.
So far
Oh,
we haven't. And trust me, they are terrible liars.
so fucking. Oh.
So.
Oh, yeah, remember this guy?
You hear that? That's the sound of me.
Who's the real one during all this bullshit?
Lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They
How does his staff not know he's not
He's unstable.
him?
Harmless boy.
You know?
I think they're just so used to fearing him that he's like.
They don't want to question him.
Yeah.
Order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly,
The Lombax.
Lombax Vandals. That's a good band name, too.
How could they if... Ah! I haven't even caught them yet, huh?
Who runs their budget animation like that? That's what they got. I understand, like,
Want some truth?
it's the game. But, like, that's cute from the game, but not, like, the game itself. That's meta. I hate that shit.
Look at it.
Like, you think he'd have a team dedicated to making something
So totally not made up.
not low budget?
Hey, maybe he's really into low budget anime.
That's so stupid low.
But who's gonna find out, like, that information? Because everyone fears him. He'll probably just kill you.
We'd better keep moving.
Even if you're asking for, like, you know, with the purest of intentions, he'd still be like, death. I don't know.
The fixer
That's just the way I meant it. That's how it happens, right? Mend the broken thingy, forge the thingy. We mending or forging? Okay, ratchet or rivet?
Oh, I didn't know that was the thing.
Yeah.
Well, shit. What do we need to do first?
It don't matter.
Oh.
You can literally do this shit in any order.
Oh.
Like, I can even go back and try and collect shit. This game's meant for that.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's just fucking stick around as Rivet.
Cool.
Feeling good.
Ratchet's had it too good for too long.
Right? I wanna be so new.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
It'll be a Torrent IV.
This is the chair, I swear.
Sure it is.
If the mic even picked it up. If not, don't worry about it. It's cool.
Sure it did.
It...
I don't know about
Maybe?
I really don't know.
Sure you can.
Yeah.
Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
I just want him to get his arm back.
Right? Like, we're this far into the game. He still hasn't gotten it back. I've gotten, like, new... What's that? Look like a goddamn Space Ranger. Melee damage. I don't want melee damage. Captain. Oh, sick. More... I want more XP. It's the only one I have. Dang it. Oh, these don't have bonuses. What are the boots? Buccaneers. Damage from pirates. Bolts. Oh, okay, I got those on. Those are good boots. I don't have like a lot of chest armor. Ooh. Yeah, I'll just keep that. Yeah.
Let's get some face cords repaired.
Great.
I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes.
Oh, I'm trying to find Mr. Fix-It, right?
Yeah.
Blah. 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 Blah.
Jesus, I'm getting dizzy.
Yep. I got no benefits from that. Oh, God. The fuck are you? The fuck are you? It has no eyes. Oh, yeah, it does. Never mind.
What?
Like, I didn't see the pupils, is what I meant. I know he had eyeballs, but I didn't know he had eyes.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Whoa.
Didn't know if I was supposed to do this, but here I am.
I hope they are more hospitable.
Wait. Oh, yeah, look at that. Fucking secrets. I actually wasn't sure if that was the way I was supposed to go or not.
Well, shit.
Shit. Alright, where am I at with the fucking gold bolts? Get all this cool shit. Head size, I can have tiny head, big head, default head. I could swap the wrench for... I want to be a weeb. I want a keyblade. Hell yeah. Oh, but I have the hammer. Dang it. Dang it.
You can't change the hammer?
No, you have to unlock that separate. Because she has the hammer, and then Ratchet has the fucking wrench. Whoa. Maybe another bolt, if I find it.
Anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
The Fixer.
Is he the fixer up? Oh! Whoa! What the fuck? It wasn't even on screen. How did it give me the prompt for it? Don't worry, I got your stash of explosives. Shivs. Explosive shivs. Explosive shivs.
Man, people at the jail will go crazy for that.
It's the hottest thing. Oh shit! Like I walked right by and was like, oh that's weird.
That looks cool.
Oh, that thing's shooting at me.
Yeah. I would love to have half of these fucking wild animals in this game as pets.
Just half?
Yeah.
Look at that, I got a fucking robot. A fucking robot.
A speedboat.
I thought you said speedboat.
You know what? It could be.
A speedboat?
Yeah, just fucking get rid of all the robot shit. Hollow it out. Put it on a lake. Go real fast.
Like Sonic?
Yeah, boom, speedboat.
Okay. I'd invest maybe like $20. I got a fucking Krager bear. Don't know what that does, but I got it. You got stuff for me? Yes, the Glove of Doom! And the Buzzblade, but no, I want the Glove of Doom.
Well, you can, sweet cheeks.
I will be using that from here on out. Well, mostly.
Gotta blast some more patties before you can upgrade that one.
Oh, I have plenty. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get all this shit. Upgrade the fuck out of my base cannon.
Nice.
Hell
Huh?
yeah. Oh,
New tourists? Oh,
that was awkward.
to the jewel
But alright.
of the galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is it?
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, anything!
Is that why they call him the Fixer?
But, we've been having trouble with pirates.
Look at this Jaeger ass robot Pacific Rim motherfucker.
Totally crushing them. He just, broke.
I want to pilot it.
Perhaps we can fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute.
Is a Molinoff minute faster or slower than a minute? And
You'll need a hurl shot.
Well,
regular time.
I'm afraid we're gonna have to answer that next time. On Adventure Time.
Damn it.
Yep.
So,
I know. I'm sorry,
after
Clint, but we're at
this,
time.
You and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is
Lombax, man. What the fuck am I missing from this game?
What? That was like episodes ago. That was like the beginning. That was the whole thing of the Dimensionator, trying to find the dimension with all the Lombaxes. Because remember, in his dimension, her dimension, the Lombaxes are gone or something. They're the last ones. So they're trying to find the dimension where they are. Anyways, we'll talk about that next time. Fucking,
See you guys later.
I don't got time for a history lesson.